My name's Pierre Meggi, and I've been working inside of the real estate industry as a real estate agent for the last 8 years. We're in the Turks and Caicos right now. What I do is I actually, on a full-time basis, help my clientele rent their next apartment, right? So I'm not a traditional realtor. I don't develop property. I don't flip homes. I don't rehab. I don't prehab. I'm not even a traditional realtor. I'm not a land developer. I don't appraise property. I literally do none of the most popular real estate titles. All I do with my real estate license is apartment locate. And to give you an example of how small and how low competition this niche is, we did a quick Google search, and Google actually shows that there are only less than 10,000 license holders that are taking advantage of working as an apartment locator. You compare that to 1.4 million active realtors, and clearly there's an advantage focusing on the business niche that I focus on that allows me to travel anywhere around the world, like I'm at the Turks and Caicos right now, right? And still make a full-time income and top produce for the month without my business suffering or my income suffering, right? Because I'm able to close clients in apartment as their licensed representation from anywhere in the world that has Wi-Fi, because I don't actually have to be there. And whenever they sign their 12-month lease term, the building pays me a month or 2 months as commission. The reason we can get away with no paperwork and not having to show up on site is because the buildings actually take care of that. The apartment complex staff actually gives your client a tour, answers more questions, and deals with all of the paperwork. So as long as your client lists your name on their rental application, you can earn a month or 2 months as commission as a licensed real estate agent. And that's literally all I've been doing for the past 8 years, my entire real estate career. You should definitely consider this business model if you're interested in real estate, or if you're working in real estate right now and you haven't in a simple way made 6 figures working remote. If you haven't made 6 figures working remote, you should definitely pay attention to this business model, because it'll change your entire business inside of real estate. And if you're already a successful realtor, you know, implementing apartment locating inside of your current business is just a fantastic way to create a whole new department of commissions within your firm. And if you're just starting off in real estate, apartment locating is the easiest way ever to be able to make it and find success as a real estate agent, because it's relatively easier than being a realtor. So if you want to make it in real estate, then focus on rentals, especially right now with high interest rates and low inventory. Everyone's renting anyways. There's an increase in rentals in the market in the United States right now. So you might as well take advantage of this business model. Now has been the best time ever relative to the last 8 years to start as an apartment locator. There's less than 10,000 of us taking advantage of this model compared to over 1 million realtors, right? So there's low competition. It's such a great business. You can travel the world and still work, because people take renting an apartment less seriously than if they were buying a house. So it's less involved, no paperwork, and the same income potential is there. And Google says that the average income of a locator compared to that of a realtor is higher. So you can make more money as a locator working in a simple job relative to any other real estate agent title there is. So if you want to learn more about if this business could work for you, and if you can copy the business model that I've been doing for the last 8 years, then click the link below this video. I set up a presentation that's totally free, so you can check out the business. It covers comprehensively every single part of the business. It's a pretty simple business. It's only a 3-step process to close leads, like right after you generate the lead. So click the link below, learn more, and I hope you can take advantage of this business model and then travel, and then maybe see me in the Turks and Caicos, right? Just filming property literally in the middle of nowhere right now. So click the link below, guys, and then I will see you guys on the next one. Turks and Caicos! Whoa. So that's the end of that video. And if things seemed a little bit complicated, all you have to do is click the link below this video and join my course. Inside of my coaching program, I break this down A to Z with like super baby steps, so that way you don't miss a single beat, and it's much more thoroughly explained. That's why over 200 people have already invested. So click the link below and at least check out the course. And hey, if you don't feel like investing right now, then all you got to do is click the other link below this video and at least join our private Facebook group community, because I mean, we're giving away free leads anyway, so why would you not take a part of the free leads? And once you piggyback off of all the free leads I'm about to give you, once you click the link below, make a couple $1,000s, prove to yourself that this business is actually really lucrative and everything I've said in this video is the truth, then consider joining the coaching program. At that point, hit the notification bell and give me a like if you appreciated this video. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.